Guys, we are so happy that you are with us today. Right now I will show you how to use the CapCut app to reverse your video. So let's go to the bot chain. The first step is to open our CapCut app. Right now I need to tap on this camera section and go to the album videos section also to select the needful video I want to correct. Let's tap on the import at the bottom. Before I will show you how to reverse the selected video, I will also show you how to manage its speed and cut little bit my selected video. So let's tap on the video line please, and I will also drag this white first line to the right side to short my video to cut it a little bit. Okay, so let's tap it here, and the last one, also white line, I will tap it on this time. Okay. So this is the shorter form of my video. Let's click on the speed option here. If you don't have this feature right now, maybe you just need to tap on the video line again. So we have the speed option. Let's click on the curve feature here. And I very like this montage feature. Let's click on it one time. And as you can check, we have another video right now with very cool effect, as I think. Okay, I will also cut it a little bit because I don't like the end. Maybe yes, maybe to this one. So how to reverse this video? I need to tap on the video line again and choose the special reverse feature later. So we have it here and wait. Okay. Let's check the result. I will go to the menu and tap on the play key from the start. Well done! Guys, I hope that you definitely like this video, and right now you know how to use this reverse option because you can create definitely very cool and fun videos with this app. Don't forget about likes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tutorials and tricks about this CapCut app and other programs. So goodbye guys, good luck!